welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life. I have a couple classes today. I have a really busy schedule too. I have a lot of things that I need to get done today. So this is gonna be a very jam-packed vlog. So I hope you guys like it. But on the topic of college, I know a lot of my viewers are like 18 to 24, you know, they're in college or you're in high school or middle school and you're gonna be going to college. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about private student loans. College is so expensive these days and it can be really difficult. And I know you guys are all aware of like scholarships, loans, and all of that kind of stuff, but I wanted to let you guys know about a website. It's called Private Student Loans and I'll have the link in the description. Basically it can help you find different student loans and also compare them, and you can see like what you qualify for all in one place, so it's really convenient. I think it would really help out a lot of you guys. You can click that link and see if you guys qualify, and I want to thank Private Student Loans for sponsoring today's video. I genuinely think that this could help a lot of you guys. That's why I jumped on this opportunity when it came to me, because it's definitely right up my alley with my college content. I always say this, you guys are like my friends and I just want to help you guys out. Okay, so now back to the video. This is actually my first day back from spring break also, so I'm going to be getting back in the swing of things. I need to just unpack everything because I ended up staying with my parents in the hotel last night, which was really nice. And then this morning we just went to Starbucks. I actually got a vanilla chai latte with a shot of espresso. So yeah, before I can get my life together with schoolwork, I need to just have a clean environment, you know? Is anybody else like that? Okay, my outfit today, I'm wearing this long sleeve because we're the Big Ten champions, and my airy leggings, cabin socks,
this big hoodie, and these joggers.
Okay, I'm gonna head off to class now. I will update you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, just got back. I need to take off my coat. I'm starving. I'm gonna be eating dinner in an hour or two, so I think I'm just gonna eat something small. For my little snack, I'm just gonna have this Light and Fit raspberry yogurt, and then 2 cheese sticks. And believe it or not, I mean, I don't know if everyone knows this, but I didn't know this. Cheese sticks are actually a really good source of protein. But yeah, I'm just gonna have like my little snack. I had 3 classes today. I'm so happy to be back in my room. After my first 2 classes, I wanted to come back here so bad and just get my 3rd class, but I pushed through and I went to that last class, and I'm really happy I did because now I just feel like very productive, and I need to be productive today and pretty much the rest of the week, so I need to start off on a good note back from spring break. So I'm just feeling good and I have a lot to do tonight. Oh, I got a new lanyard for my key, and it's just like a little white Michigan State University, and I never wear it like this. I usually just like keep it in my pocket of like my coat. I used to keep it on my wrist like on a hair tie. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but that's what a lot of like college students do. But I lost my key at the beginning of the year. So because I would take it off because it hurts and it like cuts off your circulation, I put it in my lap during one of my classes, and then I stood up and left class and it was gone forever. That's one of my little pro tips. If you're going to college next year, don't do that. But guys, I'm obsessed with this shirt. Michigan State basketball, baby. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna eat my snack and then I will update you guys. Okay, so one of the things that's on my to-do list today is I need to fill out my whiteboard because last weekend I wasn't at school when it turned March. The month feels like it's already halfway over, but I'm still gonna do this because I like to have it in front of me. So I'm just gonna go through, I've told you guys before I like to use my Google Calendar, so I'm gonna go through on my laptop and bring up my Google Calendar, and I'm just gonna put all my dates of things in here. I've explained before I like to just have my month on this like at a glance, so I'll put more detailed stuff obviously in in my Google Calendar, but this is just like a nice big overview to have. You guys always ask me where this whiteboard is from. It's from Target. I'm gonna try to link it down below, or I'll try to find something similar for you guys. Calendar. Okay, also I'm sorry it's so bright, but like there's really nowhere for me to go right now. Am I really gonna stand there? No. Why did I do that? I finished my whiteboard, but yeah, I actually have some homework I need to be doing soon, but I don't have the motivation right now, so I think I'm gonna eat my dinner right now because it's almost 6:30, and then once I eat my dinner I can relax a little bit and then start on my homework for tonight. I have a lot to get done. I'm loving this like long sleeve shirt though. I don't even know why I love it so much. Last night, because I told you guys my parents drove me to school, we went to Olive Garden for dinner and I was not even that hungry, so I ended up getting majority of my meal to go. I'm way too excited about that. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this on my bed, but I just got cheese ravioli, one of my favorites. I'm just gonna eat my dinner, got my ravioli, my 2 breadsticks, gonna watch The Office, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm done eating. I actually ended up multitasking a little bit and I did some homework while I ate instead of watching The Office, just because I kind of want to have an early night tonight because I wasn't able to sleep well last night. But right now I actually have to go to a meeting. I'm going through a new member process for a sorority, so I'm about to Uber to the house right now. So I'm gonna go do that and then I will update you guys once I'm back here. So I got back from my meeting around like, I don't even know, but I just kind of did some homework and then I was watching Netflix. I just started watching The Assassination of Gianni Versace. It's so good. I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. So first off, I just put up my hair and then I'm gonna take off my makeup with Target makeup wipes. So before I do like my typical skincare routine, tonight I'm actually gonna do a pore strip on my nose. Now that I look super cute, I'm just gonna watch Netflix for like 15 minutes and then take it off. Okay. We're back and we're ready to take it off. This is like the most painful part. My eyes are watering. Oh my god, that was so much more painful than I remember. I've done those before, look how red I am. Oh my god, I did get a lot of stuff though. Literally my favorite part is looking at it after. I know that's gross. I'm literally stinging. Well, I've showed you guys my skincare before. These are my products. I'm not gonna bore you guys with showing you it again when I just did it in a video 1 or 2 videos ago. Now that I'm all done with my skincare, I've been trying to stay off my phone a little bit more before I go to sleep, but I'm also trying to read a little bit more before I go to bed, just because I don't really have a lot of time with school and with YouTube and everything. I'm too busy to sit down and read, but I do love to read. I'm gonna try to read this for a little bit before I go to sleep, because normally I'm just on my phone before I go to bed, but I might as well try to stay off of it and just read and then go straight to sleep after, because I know being on your phone right before you go to bed is really bad for you, and I've been having trouble sleeping through the night. I have been waking up like really early and then going back to sleep after like an hour and a half of being up at 4 a.m. and then I sleep later in the day. It's just not a good cycle. So I'm trying some things out. So I'm just gonna read for a little bit. I already put my phone over there and then I'm just gonna go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you again to Private Student Loans for sponsoring this video. Like this video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support and your sweet comments always. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.